Hey everyone, I'm Maya and welcome to my Oatmeal Lab, where each week I'll be experimenting with fun, delicious, and unique oatmeal recipes while inspiring you to step out of your breakfast comfort zone. Join me. Today we're making an oatmeal recipe that Jennifer Garner swears by, and we're putting it to the test. It's an apple oatmeal, so it's definitely more on the sweet side. But in future weeks, we'll be experimenting with out-of-the-box savory recipes because in our oatmeal lab, we stand ready to try it all. Now we're gonna go over here so I can tell you what you need for this delicious recipe. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need. 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, 3 cups of water, 2 medium-sized apples, a 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. I'll be using a little bit less than that today. Some cinnamon, and of course, some salt. All right, this is the first step. We're gonna take this water and we're gonna place it into our saucepan. Hey everyone, this is just a reminder to subscribe to our channel so you never miss one of our weekly videos. Now, back to our show. Then you're gonna turn on your stove to medium heat and bring your water to a boil. All right, so while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and chop those 2 apples back there. This is a good size for them to be. I don't know about you, but when I'm cooking, I need to taste the ingredients. I need to have a bite of an apple or, taste the food while it's cooking just to make sure that it's, that the ingredients are okay and then also that the food is turning out good. I think that's the secret to a good cook. You have to taste your food. This is gonna give us some sweetness, and you can add as much or as little as you want. I prefer to go a little bit lighter on the sugar just because I want mine to be lower sugar, and especially in the mornings, I don't wanna crash later on. But it seems like Jennifer Garner, for her recipe, she adds 1/4 cup, but feel free to add as much or as little as you want. So as you can see, our water is now boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all of our ingredients and place them in. Look how beautiful that looks. And you're gonna mix for about 5 minutes or until you reach the type of consistency you like. I just stepped up on a stool so you can see me a little bit better while I talk to you and stir. But I wanna tell you about why I love having oatmeal for breakfast. First of all, I think it's a very convenient meal to have in the morning. We're all on the go, we're all trying to get out the door, and oatmeal just can take 5 minutes to make, whether it's on the stovetop or 2 minutes to make if you're making it in the microwave. But also I love oats because they have a ton of health benefits. They are fiber rich, which is excellent for keeping you full in order for you to conquer everything you want to do before lunchtime. And also it keeps you regular, which who doesn't want that? And the type of fiber they contain is also notable. I'm talking about beta-glucan, which is the real star of the show. This type of soluble fiber has been proven to help lower cholesterol. And as this type of fiber goes through your digestive system by consuming oats, it turns into a gel that slows digestion, which keeps you feeling full for longer. Plus, it's also a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Honestly, could you ask for anything more? Okay, now back to our oatmeal. All right, so let's go over here and take a look at our oatmeal. Wow, this looks amazing. So as you can see, it's been soaking up all the water, and I think it's almost ready. All right, now we are done and ready to serve. Wow, this looks delicious, but it can't be oatmeal without toppings. So I'm gonna top my recipe off with some granola. And voila, here is your apple cinnamon oatmeal. It wouldn't be Maya's Oatmeal Lab if we didn't rate this oatmeal. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Get some apple in there. So good. So So I have to say that I think adding in granola on top of this oatmeal is the move because it really makes it taste like an apple crumb pie, which who wouldn't want that for breakfast? Okay, so now that I've had a few bites of this, I really like it. I'm gonna rate it a 7, and it's gonna get that rating because while it was delicious and I will be making it again, it didn't really have that complexity factor, you know. It's the type of oatmeal that you expect someone to make, and it's gonna be delicious either way, but it wasn't anything new. It wasn't anything exciting, but I loved it. It was cozy, it was sweet, it was good. So great job, Jennifer. I'll definitely be making this again. And thank you for sharing your oatmeal recipe with the world. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's episode. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up below. I can't wait to see you guys next time when we'll be cooking up a new recipe in our oatmeal lab. For now, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this.